Let's say good morning to Andrew Keene, president of KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Happy Monday.
Good morning, Angie.
You are here to talk about Zillow. Now, hedge fund billionaire Ken Griffin of Citadel bought 1.6 million shares in that stock. Would you buy that stock?
The one thing I don't like about this company is you would think when home sales are doing better, when consumer confidence in the United States is getting better than expected, people are starting to spend money, buy houses, construction sales are better than expected. This stock would be going from the bottom left to the top right. It's going the opposite way. It looks like it's headed lower. However, short interest is 91%. I think I get on every time we have short interest. Last week we talked about Green Mountain Coffee, and if Green Mountain can get through 32, that could get to 40. So the shorts got roasted in Green Mountain. The shorts are getting roasted in Zillow. It has this 52-week low of $21. Two easy ways I'd play it. I could basically set a stop under, if I wanted to play to the long side, I put a stop under Friday's low, which is $26. If I wanted to hold a little bit longer term, stop under this 21.5, which is the 52-week low. I think it can test the gap, possibly get up to this $34 level. It does have such a short interest that getting into December, I think a lot of weird things are going to happen. We're seeing a lot of these beaten stocks, Groupon, RIM, getting some buying pressure, Green Mountain. I think Zillow could be next.
What do you think about a hedge fund buyer, though? As a trader, when you see something like that, does it trigger anything in your trading mind?
Yes and no. Ken Griffin is obviously a very well-respected person and a hedge fund manager, especially in the Chicago community, as the Citadel is based in Chicago. So it makes me perk my interest a little bit more. The 91% short interest perks my interest a lot more, thinking that if the stock goes higher, it can just keep getting squeezed. Like we talked about last week in Green Mountain Coffee, GMCR, the shorts are getting squeezed. They're going to have to keep buying it all the way up. So as a company, I don't like it as much. With Ken Griffin on board buying about 5% of the company and the short interest, might be interesting for a trade to the long side.
Good to have you on the show. That's Andrew Keene of KeeneOnTheMarket.com.